that TV. I'm gonna kill you. Hey happy campers, it is Savannah with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're going to be taking an inside and outside look at this 2024 Keystone Cougar 29RKS. But before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, leave us a comment telling you how much you love me, and let's get started. Starting out in our outdoor entertainment space, we do have an awning. This awning starts right here and goes all the way over to the end of that slide. It does go a little bit past that slide, but we also do have an LED strip that goes that whole entire length of that. We also do have slide toppers on every single side of this Cougar. You can see that right here in this one side over here. That kind of just protects your slides against the weather and other elements. Out here, we also do have indoor-outdoor speaker system and lots of storage, but my favorite part is the outdoor kitchen, so let's go check it out. In the front of our Cougar, we do have this massive storage space. As you can see, I'm down here. Plenty of room, you guys. It doesn't matter what you want to put down here, you're gonna have lots of space for it. We do have a nice, easy to clean out floor down here, and it also is a gripped surface. So as you're going down the road, nothing's moving down here. It's gonna stay nice in place. We also do have a couple lights down here, a very bright LED strip, and over on this side is our convenience bay with all the hookups you're gonna need while you're at the campground. And there's also one secret storage space at the back, so let's go check that out. When you first walk into your Cougar, up your stairs and right to your right, you have your in-command touchscreen control panel. This is where you're gonna control all your slides, your lights, and your other items. It's super easy to use, everything is labeled, and it's very user-friendly. Now, check out the rest of your camper. Right next to your entryway, we do have this nice little sofa. This is the perfect area to sit and relax with your family, and it also doubles as a sleeping space. So if you have a couple extra guests and they need a place to sleep, this rolls out into a bed, and there is some storage. Right above me, we have this storage area. This is perfect for that guest to put their bags, or if you just want to put some extra linens and maybe some blankets or some board games or puzzles, that's a great area to do that. And we also do have a window over here, and they've added this little mirror just to kind of spruce it up in here and make it look a little bit more homey. Now, check out the rest of your living room. In one of our living room sides, we do have some theater seats. These are perfect to sit and watch a movie with your family, and we do have a couple of cup holders in here. These actually do have lights in them, so when it's dark in here, you can light those up. And we do have some storage right here as well. This is kind of a smaller little area, but you could definitely throw some chargers in here, or maybe some remotes, or maybe even a small book. And a lot of people do ask us if these do recline, and they're made specifically for campers, and yes, they do recline. You have some buttons right here to easily recline those back, and you're not gonna hit that window, so that's a plus. Also on both sides, we do have a USB port to plug in your phones and tablets. We have multiple windows over here, and as you can see, we also do have a dinette over here. It's a 4-person dinette, so your whole entire family can eat dinner all together, and there's some windows over there as well, so if you want to sit in here and have some wonderful campground views, you can do that. As I said, this is a perfect area to relax and watch a movie, so let's move across the living room and check out that TV. Across from your theater seats is your entertainment space. Over here, we do have this nice large TV. As I said, you're gonna definitely wanna watch a movie in this camper, and this is the perfect area to do that. Or if you wanna host a little game day event, you can do that too. We have some storage over here on both sides. This opens up, and a fun thing over there, there is an electrical outlet. So if you wanna plug in a DVD player or a gaming console, you can store it away on that other side. We also do have more storage on both sides over here, but this one does have our indoor-outdoor speaker system. So this is where you're going to control all the speakers inside and those ones that I showed you guys outside. And we do have more storage down there and another electrical outlet. Probably my favorite part over here is our fireplace. This is perfect. We're coming up on those cold winter months, so you can definitely turn that up and get some heat in here. Or if you live in a little bit more of a tropical climate and you don't want to use that fireplace anytime, it doubles as a light as well. So if you're in here watching a movie, you want just some subtle lighting, that's going to work for that. Now, let's check out your kitchen. Over on this side of our kitchen, we do have 2 drawers. This is a perfect storage space if you do want to put some board games in there or other items, since we are close to our entertainment space. Or if you want to use that for some kitchen storage as well, it is pretty deep, so you can definitely put some pots and pans in there. We also do have an electrical outlet right here and a USB and USB-C port, so you can plug in your phones, other items, or if you want to have maybe a little coffee station right here, you can plug up your coffee machine and have it over on this side. Now, let's check out the rest of your kitchen. Over in your kitchen, we do have this nice little countertop right here. This is perfect area to set some things on if you kind of want to have a little buffet style thing going on here. And we do have some storage underneath that as well. You have 3 decent sized drawers. I would definitely put some utensils in here, just stuff you want out of the way. Maybe you want to fold up some nice little place settings. That would be the perfect area to do that. Beside of this, we do have our 2-sided sink. I love when they have the little divider in the middle. You can have clean dishes on one side, dirty dishes on one side, or if you want to have dishes and then wash up your vegetables and fruits on this side, that's a perfect area to do that too. We do have a retractable sink head, and we have some storage underneath this. You can't really see it from that side, but it does go all the way back there. You can definitely put a pretty tall trash can in there, or if you just want to store some cleaning supplies, you can definitely do that as well. We have plenty more countertop space over here. Right here we have our microwave with some storage up atop of that, and that's a pretty good storage space up there. You could definitely throw some pots and pans in there or put all of your spices. We have our typical 3-burner stovetop with that splash guard. You have your oven, and underneath that we have a small little drawer. Again, another place to put some of your kitchen supplies. Like I said, tons of countertop space over here, and we do have an electrical outlet up here and a USB and USB-C port, so you can plug in some things there. And you have a little bit more storage. Okay, I've said pots and pans a ton, but this is where I would definitely put them. That's a pretty deep space, and that's very easy to grab when you're wanting to cook over here. And right behind, oh, more storage up here. And right beside of me, we do have our fridge. This is a Furrion fridge that kind of does change from unit to unit, so definitely ask your salesman. But this is a very nice size fridge. You're gonna be able to put all of your groceries in there, and you also do have a freezer, so if you want to stock up on some ice cream, you have lots of space to do that. Over on the other side, we have our pantry area. There's 3 little shelves in there. This goes back super far, you guys, so you're going to be able to store lots of items in there. And you do have more space underneath that. That's just one open space down there. If you have a dog or a cat coming along with you, that's a perfect area to store all of their food. Now, let's check out your bathroom. In our bathroom, over on my left-hand side, we do have our mirror. This is actually a medicine cabinet, so there is some storage behind that. Perfect to put all your toiletries in. Underneath that, we do have a pretty nice size countertop space with an electrical outlet, so you're definitely going to bring your electric shavers and all your hairstyling tools. You do have your sink and plenty of storage underneath. This is a very good little storage space right here. You could definitely stack up all your toilet paper. And we do have 3 drawers over here, and they've even given you a nice little toilet paper holder. Over on my right hand side, we have our step to flush toilet, and we have some storage. This, if I can get it, opens up, and you do have 2 shelves in there. You can stack up a bunch of towels in there, a robe, or if you want to put your pajamas in there so you can get into your pajamas after you get all nice and clean in the shower. Right over here, we also do have a hanging bar for a towel, and behind me is your shower. This is a very nice size shower, and we even do have a skylight in here. So if you want a little bit of natural lighting, you definitely have that. There's a seat over on this side, and over on my left-hand side, we do have 3 built-in shelves so you can put your shampoos on it, and you do have a detachable shower head. Now, let's check out the bedroom. In the front of your Cougar, you do have a private bedroom with a queen-size bed and lots of storage. We have some overhead storage and 2 storage compartments on both sides. This is perfect to store some things in. If you want to fold up all of your clothes and put them in there, you can, or put your bags in there, or maybe some shoes. We also do have 2 little side tables on both sides, so you can have your magazine, your reading glasses, or your CPAP machine right next to you on your bedside table. Also on both sides, you do have an electrical outlet and a USB and USB-C port. We also do have a window in here, and you even have a closet area, so let's check it out. Right next to your bed, you do have your closet space, and this is a very big closet space, you guys. They do have a hanging bar in there for you, so you can hang up all of your clothes, and you have a little bit of carpet in there, perfect area to put your shoes, and they've even given you a mirror on the outside so you can see yourself while you're getting ready. Right beside of that, we do have this open space. I would probably put my jewelry and other items in there, and they've given you 3 really nice size drawers to fold up all of your pajamas. So if you like this unit or any other unit in our Keystone line, make sure you give us a call or visit us online at cookevilleRV.com, where your adventure awaits.